Alright, do a little oil change today on the KTM 690 Duke. First, start it up, let it warm up. Here's all the tools I use for the 690 Duke. You got a 13mm. You got a T30 Star or Torx, and then an 8. If you don't want to use that, you can use an 8mm. I use both extensions, just to make things easier. Snap ring pliers for the filters, and of course, socket wrench. And then here's I use high flow filters on these ones because it's easy to get both filters pretty easily, and they're cheaper than getting the KTM's original factory ones. So, start her up. Let it warm up a little bit. Alright, the bike's now ran and warm, so the oil's all nice and warm. Well, there's one drain plug right here, bottom of the motor. It is a 13mm. Go ahead and take that out. Now, right next to it is another 13mm, and that is it's a screen filter. Get those off. Here we go. Pull that screen out. Screen filter. Clean that off. Drain float back in. It's really hard. It's right here by the shift lever. Go. Make sure you do not over tighten these when installing. That's enough. Alright. Screen back in. This one's the hardest because it kicks the shift lever. That up. Tight. Alright, now it's time to change the oil filter, which is right here. There's two of them. There's one on this side. What I do is I typically rotate this just a hair so I can get a grip on it. Tap it off. Good. Just new filter in. Cover back on. Like so. Good. And this side's done. Now we'll go to the other side. There's another filter and another screen filter. There's a screen filter right here and another oil filter right here. And here's the fill cap. Okay, so remove the screen filter first. So that's draining out. Go ahead and grab the screen out of there. All the excess. Screen filter. Go ahead and take off this filter. It's right here. This is the smaller filter of the two. Snap ring pliers. All right, out she comes. Put the new filter in. Screen filter. Tight. All right, start her up, see what happens. Good to go. That's it.